Hi everyone, I'm Vijay here from PySpiders Rajajinagar. One of our students got placed recently. He'll be sharing his experience.
Hello everyone, I am Abhishek. I am a fresher BE graduate in Electronics and Communications from BT University, and during my academics I have built a good interest in software testing, and that is why I got a course in PySpiders for a full stack software testing. Here I have built skills in both manual and automation testing, and in automation I have built skills in Python with Selenium. My trainers are regarding manual, my trainers are Niranjan and Pradeep sir, and in Python my trainers are Vijay sir and Lakshmi sir, and my SQL trainer was Avinash sir, and I have also completed my internship here from Jeevan sir, and I have built very good interest and skills in automation. Regarding that, I have also got placed in automation regarding role, that is associate QA engineer. And coming to PySpiders Rajajinagar, here it is Q and PySpiders Rajajinagar. We have skills, the skill sets are very high regarding the trainers, and here we have also have a very good infrastructure and the activities and bootcamp sessions are main add-ons for the students to build skills and knowledge in the regarding the software testing.
Congratulations and all the best.